Hey, sorry about that. So I was just saying that, and we're almost done. It's just this problem, but I was saying we did this question in class, so you should have the notes for it. But the way it was done, just like this, these two canceled out, and then it's equal to 1/2. So the idea is this was not using L'Hopital's rule. Let's do the same question, but maybe we could use L'Hopital's rule to actually solve it. So here, let's see. Okay, aquí estamos. Let's see. So here, let's use L'Hopital's rule. So the idea is, can you plug in 1? You can't. So what are you allowed to do? Well, you're allowed to take the derivative of the top and derivative of the bottom. So notice that this is equal to the limit as x approaches 1. Well, the derivative of the bottom is pretty straightforward. It's just 1, right? And what's the derivative of the top? Well, okay, you got to take your time. What is the derivative of square root of x minus 1? Notice that this is the same as x to the 1/2 minus 1. And if I want to take the derivative of this, right, then I say that this is equal to 1/2 x to the negative 1/2 minus 1. So then this is 1/2 times 1 over x to the 1/2, which is equal to 1/2 times 1 over square root x, which is equal to 1/2 square root x. Okay, this we've done, right? So this is 1/2 square root x. And what's the derivative of minus 1? It's just 0, right? So once we have this, notice, are you allowed to plug in 1 right now? You are. So you have 1/2, and what's the square root of 1? It's just 1. So you just have 1/2 divided by 1, which is 1/2. And notice that you get the same thing that you got over here when you use this technique. This is one way of solving this limit process, is rationalizing the radical, or you can use L'Hopital's rule. Great. Okay, what I want you to do is, for homework, just try and do page 3. And page 3, just so you can see it, it looks like, what does it look like? Okay, it looks like this. You should have it, and it looks like this one. So it just says, using L'Hopital's rule, page number 3. And if you don't have it, here are the questions you can, let's see. This is the 2 questions, and here are the other 2 questions that you could pause and try and do it. So yeah, try and do these questions. Hint, don't forget the chain rule. Okay? I'll see you in class tomorrow.